Hello, my name's Nick Wood. I'm a business correspondent with television and radio, and today in this brief video I'm going to introduce you to the world of XP Power.
We provide power supply solutions to the electronics industry. These are the devices that take the relatively high voltage electricity that comes out of the wall socket and converts it into stable, low voltage DC that all electronic equipment uses. So any piece of electronic equipment needs this, and we actually deal with high reliability, high quality, critical systems in the medical, technology and high-end industrial arenas. We generally lead with a standard product. Customers want to use something which is standard off the shelf, but the nature of the industry is everybody's trying to differentiate their equipment from their competition, and that invariably ends up with a different power requirement, whether it's a size, voltages, the functions that they want. And that means that we design products which, although they're standard, they're relatively easy to modify. So we will actually often modify power supply so it will work better in the customer's application, and in fact over 50% of our revenues come from modified products.
I've come to XP's facility here in California in the USA. It's in the heart of Silicon Valley, and as you can see they've got some interesting neighbours. It's also the headquarters in the USA of the Engineering Services Group. That is the jewel in the crown of XP, adding real value to products for their customers.
The Engineering Services Group here in North America is a dedicated group specifically tailored to our customers in North America. This group runs autonomous from the standard product design centers throughout the rest of XP Global. Within this group, we specialize in doing modified standard, custom, and turnkey box assemblies for our customer. We do this in region by giving our customers in-region sales and engineering support at the local level in an effort to qualify their requirements up front, reduce cost up front by understanding the design and how the product is going to be implemented in the end system.
These customers are global and we need to be global with them, so frequently the design work will be done here, but that will be transferred to Asia. So it's important that we have Asian operations to support customers who transfer their product out to Asia for manufacture.
Okay guys, so we're here today to review the AV5151.
Also we have offices right across Europe, so we're on all three continents, and we deal with large blue chip companies that have design centres on all three continents.
Our design locations are basically working off the same instructions, the same guidelines for consistency. And then it's also the part of manufacturing. So a lot of our work instructions and our controls and processes in place are consistent to ensure that regardless of where the product is built, it's built to the same standards in that manufacturing process. The other part is the supplier management. So we're working with our suppliers globally, whether it's locally for supporting engineering services or if it's supporting Asia manufacturing in high volumes. We're working with those suppliers, engaging with them, making sure they meet our requirements. And then there's the most important part is customer engagement. Basically getting feedbacks from our customer in terms of the things that we're doing right, the things we're not doing right, also understanding their expectations and requirements.
Well, I'm finishing my video introduction to XP Power in my home country. I'm here in the new state-of-the-art workshop that's just been built at the XP facility in the UK. And my final thought is that there is an awful lot going on in this organisation and with their customers too. As far as the future is concerned, watch this space. Bye for now.
The industry, it's going into capital equipment, so the whole industry is growing at GDP plus a little bit. So they're not stellar growth rates, but we've consistently grown above those through the cycle. So we're clearly taking market share consistently over a long period of time. And I think we've done that because we have a very broad, up-to-date range of products. And the way we interface with our customers, we're big enough to have critical mass and be interesting to the big customers and have operations on all three continents, but we're still a fairly lean, flat, fast and flexible organisation, so we can offer that excellent service and support. I think those are the ingredients that allow us to grow.